Good evening everyone, again welcome back to the Flavors of Light channel. My name is Reza and tonight I'm going to be showing you a typical green juice I make. Today I have two lemons, one lime, I have about 6 apples grown here in the UK. I have a large handful of coriander. In the US you guys call that cilantro. So I've got a lot of coriander. I'm going to be making a large portion today because I'm extremely thirsty. I also have one bunch of parsley and I have here another bunch of parsley. I don't live near a farm, so I have to get my produce from a supermarket because I live in central London. So it comes in plastic bags, but I recycle those. Okay, and we also have 2 extremely large cucumbers. If you can see, like in ratio to my size, this is like the size of my whole body. Now, okay, so basically what I do is this is the recipe. It's for cellular hydration. I just finished a spa session and I'm extremely thirsty, even though I had 2 liters of lime, rose water and distilled water mixed together in the spa. I sweated quite profusely, so again I'm going to hydrate myself with raw living hydration of herbs, fruits, and the important thing is that this is raw living plant filtered water. It's as clean as pure can be. So what I'm basically going to do is I am going to just chop up the herbs here first. So I'm just going to show you guys a typical juice I make. If I just readjust this camera so you guys can get a better angle. So look, basically all you do is just grab your herbs really tight and just chop it all down very finely. Depending on what juicer you have, if you've been blessed with a green star, you can just put in the herbs directly, I believe. But because I have a conventional vertical slow press juicer, I'm currently not marketing for anyone, so I'm not going to tell you what model I have, but it's a basic 100-pound juicer, but I got it for 50 quid on sale. That's about $60, I think, something like that. So yeah, I'm not really fussed about the technology of a juicer as much as I would care about the technology of a camera or laptop. I think that's more important, but when it comes to a juicer, it's just pressing the fruit and herbs and it's giving me the yield. So you can go and obsess about how much yield they give, but I don't care about 5% here or there. At the end of the day, I'd rather focus on getting produce, staying raw, staying hydrated. So it's all about your finances and your priorities. So look, this is about how much herbs I have. It smells incredible. Now, what I'm basically going to do is, if I show you guys, if you can see this juicer here, let me see how I can show you this. My juicer has this like whole entrance. So what I need to do is I just need to grab this into a size of an apple and put it into that whole chute. The whole chute is like this big, so I just need to bring up a ball that big, and I'm literally just going to stuff it in. So I'm just going to press the machine on. Again, another big ball. What I have down here with my setup, I usually have a nice big container and I have a strainer here, and when the juice comes out it can just directly go in and be filtered automatically. I like to strain my juices. I don't like bits inside unless it's orange juice. I don't really mind. Now the parsley's for your kidneys. Apparently also, I haven't read the scientific evidence, but it's probably supposed to be a heavy metal detoxifier. Same with the cilantro. Again, another herb for healing. You've got apples, were a fantastic cleanser for your liver and gallbladder. You have cucumber, which is amazing for just pure raw living cellular hydration. That's all I can say. It's fantastic for your skin. And then we have the astringent lemon and lime. That's to pull mucus out the lymphatic system. However, as you can see, I'm going to drink the liquid and not have to digest this. This would be very difficult for your stomach to get the liquid out of these fibers, because we're not sheep, cows and horses. We're Homo sapiens. We're designed for durian, rambutan, champidak, grapes, oranges. But in this day and age of sickness and toxicity, we need the help the herbs can give us. So what I've just done is I do the herbs first because the machine sometimes gets jammed. And then what I do is I put my cucumbers after. Smell amazing. Very inviting smells. That's what I love. That's my most favorite thing about raw living juices. As opposed to smelling someone make like cooked food, it's so nice to smell, especially a green juice. It smells fantastic. It smells very inviting. Okay, apples. Just dice them in half. Look at this. Look at that beautiful star. So these are locally. So the herbs were local. They're not grown too far from London. Same with the apples. And I believe the lemons are coming in from Spain. And the cucumbers are grown here too. If your machine ever gets stuck, sometimes you need to help move things down depending on your portion sizes you cut everything. I'm going to show you guys at the end of this like the pulp to juice ratio. And I have a beautiful glass bottle here ready to pour it into. So I'm just going to show you guys what's going on here. So this is what we have. This is the juice. And then here is all the pulp. Okay. Now, what you also have is, what I love is the apples, the cucumbers, the lemon. Get my reusable fork, and just sometimes you have to proactively just grab your strainer and help move everything down through the small holes, because it gets jammed. There's a traffic jam of pulp there. So what happens is what I love about this juice is it hydrates you, alkalizes you, it detoxifies you, and it helps regenerate every single one of your 100 trillion cells. So it's just beautiful. It just works, and the flavors work too. You get a bit of zing and zang from the lemons and lime. You get that beautiful flavor that you remember from your childhood, eating apples as a snack in your lunchbox. You get that hydration and balance from the cucumber, because lemons, limes, and apples can be intense, right? So can parsley, like that herbal flavor. This is how I chop my cucumber. I'm just going to chop this tail off. I don't want that in there. You can do it many ways, but one way I like to do it is just it's as simple as that, and you've got pieces like this. Now, I'm not going to do the full recipe because I think it's going to get full. I don't want to overflow my juice. That's the worst thing, if you pour more than your container can take. Just going to wait and see how this goes. Maybe I will pour more. Guys, again, look at this. This is what we're not digesting. We're gonna skip this. This is for me like my dinner post sauna. That's why I'm making a big one. For me to be satisfied, I need to make sure there's enough sweet, so there's a chance I might need some mandarin juice later, but I'll see how my body reacts. I'm in tune with my body, so if my body says drink some more sugar, I'll go and drink sugar, and I'll head straight for the mandarin juice, because the mandarins now in season are coming from South Africa, and they're much more stronger in color and flavor and vibrancy than the oranges coming in from Spain. So you need to be conscious about what produce is going around, what season it is, what year it is. Especially if you're fortunate like me to live in London and you can get produce from around the world. So, I'm always reusing this bottle. This is the best part. You guys are gonna see the fountain of youth. Get a simple funnel, put it on top like this. The funnel helps you not waste any juice, because that is the worst thing in the world when you waste juice. It hurts so much. Okay, so what I'm literally going to do is I'm going to put this to the side. And I'm sharing this video because I want to encourage you or motivate you or show you what I'm up to. This is what I do every day. I've been practicing this so much, it's like, it's natural for me. I don't even like think about, oh, should I go eat some cooked food, or you know what I mean, like comfort myself. I'm like, no, I want to hydrate myself. I had an amazing session in the spa. I did my unique protocol for skin detoxification. I felt amazing. My skin looks much better. And I'm going to repeat this tomorrow because I don't want to wake up feeling crap. Here you go. Amen. I don't know if you guys can see the action there, but check this out. You could literally see this juice is buzzing. So, dear universe, thank you for making this juice possible. Please bless us and me and everyone who's going to make this drink. Radiancy, vitality, beauty, free us of all our health problems and sickness. Make us more open to this beautiful life so we can enjoy the abundance that this whole universe has offered us. Thank you so much, and very grateful with love. Bless your drink. Please make this and enjoy.